Hey guys, got this CS590 barred up that I just got, and the chain was wrecked, man, wrecked with a capital X. And anyway, I got it all ready to go. I'm gonna see how it cuts, see how it runs in the cut. So hang tight. I haven't started this since I made the other videos. So let's see. On, choke. Dang. This is a pretty good runner, guys. Nope. Gotta tune it up, and I got it pretty fat right now with non-ethanol fuel, 40-to-1 mix. You know, play it safe in the beginning. So, and then looks like I got the idle set a little high too. Or anyway, hey, 20-inch bar, steel RS chain. Surprisingly, it was not in good shape, but I filed him out pretty good. So hey, she's a runner, boys. Good little firewood saw right there. For $100 you can't beat that, man, at all. So thanks for watching. Take care.